This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michelle Straight. Immaculate and well-maintained pool home featuring an open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and over 2,100 square feet of living space with a split floor plan. There is a large formal dining room with Trey ceilings, and the kitchen is open to the huge family room, which is wonderful for entertaining. You will love the beautiful ceramic tile floors in the main living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. The master bathroom has a relaxing garden tub, large vanity with dual sinks and a step-in oversized shower. This home has an amazing outdoor space where you can relax by the screened-in pool and enjoy the beautiful Florida sunshine. Home features a 3-car garage with plenty of off-street parking, so bring your boats, RVs and toys. There is a separate laundry room and tons of storage throughout the house. The yard is over an acre and is partially fenced. Air conditioner is 2014, new garbage disposal, and a new hot water heater 2020. This home is conveniently located close to the shopping, dining, schools and doctors' offices and hospitals. For more information,